thank you for hanging out with me today. Today I'm going to show you some more stuff with the lathe. It's going to be part 2 of my beginner Woodturners diary. So come along, have fun, maybe learn something, I don't know. Maybe laugh at my mistakes, but never mind, it's okay, I can take it. But let's have fun. Okay, this is my turning station, and as you can see, everything is a bit of a mess. I have a rack for my wood now, but all my turning tools is lying here, and that is, yeah, that's the problem. Also my accessories and my projects are here. That's maybe an even bigger problem, I don't know. And then there's the floor. It's a concrete floor and my back hurts like, I don't know, a lot when I stand here for a couple of hours. So if only I could have something on the ground to make it easier on my back. And if only I could have my tools on the wall. And if only I could have my accessory on a shelf. And like it was magic. Oh, that was a tool rack. And it's nice and functioning and very easy to build. And again, as if by magic, I now have a shelf for my accessories. And this is the setup from a little distance. It's starting to look good. And again, as by magic, and with love from my children, a new floor, or at least a mat that I can stand on while I'm turning. And I must just say, thank you kids for having your dad's back. This is going to be excellent. That was a very good day in the workshop. Have fun all. See you next time.